Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I am going to show how to downgrade your WordPress version by using free plugin. So let's start. So guys, first of all, you have to install new plugin and its name is WP Downgrade. So as you can see, this one we are going to install and you can check the reviews and active installation. It is good. So I am going to install it. So after that, you have to activate it. And one thing guys, if you install any free plugin from WordPress, then you have to check reviews and active installation. It must be good. And after that, you have to go to settings and WP downgrade. So as you can see, I have already mentioned there 5.9 and I am going to save changes and you have to click on this link. And for now 6.1 is installed and I am going to reinstall version 5.9. It could take time because WordPress files are downloading. And guys, before downgrade any version of WordPress, you must have the backup of the website. And now as you can see, it is giving us an error and I'm going to refresh it. So as you can see, 5.9 version is installed, but some files are still downloading, updating on the backend. It can take time. After that, you can check your WordPress version again, but it is already downgraded, but some files are running on the backend. So by this way, you can downgrade any version of WordPress and you can also use other plugins if it is good in the sense of reviews and active installations. I hope you must find this video useful, and finally, thanks for watching.